What's up, guys? I know it's been a while since I've been on YouTube, but today I'm gonna show y'all something. So yeah, my brake lights on my truck don't work, and it's a common issue with GMCs and Chevys. I have an '06 Colorado, so whenever I press the light button, oh yeah, sorry, it's pretty lit. So whenever I press the light button, my lights come on, my tail lights come on. But as soon as I press the brakes, tail lights won't come on. So this is, and let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so right now, turn it off. Walk to the back. Tail light isn't on. Stepping on a brake. Tail light's still not on. Which, for those that are trying to figure out what it could be, if you're going to the same mission, look underneath. I see, I'm trying. Slid on. Look underneath. It'll be this one right here. It's easy, just takes about 5 minutes. No tools required. And you can just go to your local auto parts store. You can get that part. It's a brake light switch. You can get the part for $10. Easy as that. Or you go to your local Chevy, pay $19. So to take the old one out, what you want to do is all this is just a push. I don't know if you can see it. Push. Pull the tab out. Turn it counterclockwise. Hold up. It pops right up, just like that. So you pull the tab, turn like that, pop it up. Start a new one. Same way you took the old one out. Same concept. Put this in. I swapped it out, new one's in, just do the same thing you did. So now, here's my jack bar. I step on the brakes, walk to the back. Brake lights on. And that's how you do it in under 5 minutes.